Hello, fearless business owners or business owners that are experiencing fear and around money and fear of direction and fear you're not doing enough. I wanted to chime in here because just to share a little bit of my journey. Business is tough. It's especially when you're betting on yourself and you're living off of savings and you're trying to grow your business and get to your revenue to what you used to have. That's been my experience. And so I wanted to share how I've just transmuted this fear that continues to come up over the last couple of years, right? As I bet on myself. And so the thing that I did was really harnessing that energy, feeling that anxiety, feeling that fear, and moving around and moving the energy in our body, and then giving myself that reminder, that affirmation that I've already succeeded. I've already bet on myself by leaving corporate. I've already bet on myself and succeeded by having these experiences as an entrepreneur. So you can't fail. And so that's the thing that I'm going to continue to come back to, right? And I encourage you as well that as you maybe have those fears of money or that attachments of getting a client or attachments to, um, how you didn't make your six figures or your five figures or whatever this month or four figures, whatever it is, just as a reminder to go dance and move the energy and celebrate yourself, right? And celebrate all the experiences you've already had that have shown you that you've succeeded in having that. And then when we're in that joy and we're in that feeling of abundance and feeling that we can't fail, right? We're a much more magnetic state and it feels better and it takes the pressure off of us too. So that's my invitation to you, is to really transmute that fear and anxiousness energy and move it in the body with some dance, some breathing. If you need some help guided into that, reach out to me. It's truly powerful. So thank you. I hope this helps.